yeah, so in this video, I plan on stripping this thing. I'm gonna take all the stickers off it. I'm gonna leave the bonnet ones because I'm gonna hang that on the wall. And yeah, just gonna peel all the stickers off, take all the guards off, peel the stickers off the doors, and yeah, kind of get it ready for its well, no rebuild, birthday, makeover, whatever the fuck you want to call it. Fuck, what a mess over here. Wowee. So we are out. Box still attached. Mint as. Sweet. So another real shitty bumper put on because it's like, yeah, flimsy as shit, but that's alright. Man, this car's gonna be a piece of shit to put together, eh? Managed to, yeah, secure a fucking gangster engine package to, yeah, put in Big Bird. Look at this fucking sad thing. It fucking looks upset. And behold, my new engine.
Yeah, just gotta make sure you cut the right side. You've probably cut up here.
Oh, fuck off. I'm not stupid.
Alright, give us some room there, because we'll panel beat that.
Okay. Ah, there we go. Got our hole here. This is the factory tunnel, so I'll have to cut that off too once the box is back out. But for now, quite a lot of bog in this thing that we've found and trying to hide, so yeah, Marshall's gonna do his thing and make it look good. Marshall's are still over here slaving away. Whew, so yeah, pretty much everything's out of it. Out of it. So yeah, look at that. Even those little ones, I don't know what they were for, but we'll skim a bog and no one will know. You
mill between creamers.
Yeah. No, that's fucking looking good. We've got our bungee there doing the mahi. It looks pretty even between those strut towers, so I wouldn't know what you'd use as a fucking reference point on this bench.
Is it right?
No, it's not right. Don't bloody get your hopes up.
Oh, is it?
No, it's not.
Is it?
Look how far off it is.
Yeah, it's the thumb.
Oh, it's the thumb, okay. We're going to make this car competitive. We were like, well, let's, put the good gear in it. And SDF seems to be the way to go these days. A lot of guys are running it now, based out of Canada. So. Just checking in again. Woohoo! Fucking hell. But yeah, here we have it. My car is white. Booyakasha. Sweet. The easy bit's done. Boy! Look at that. Holy shit. Look at the boys. Fuck, that looks so good. Oh, I love it. Yeah, beautiful. Look at them little stitch welds on there. Looks like a really happy face, you know. Eyes, mouth, choice. And yeah, the boys. My photographer down here doing the mahi. Holy shit. To say that I'm happy with this car would be just a fucking understatement. Fuck, it looks so sick. I'm so happy with it. Yeah, fuck. It looks amazing. So we made it to Red Star. Andrew's here, he's the designer. Megan's here, she works here. And nah, she makes it, she puts it from the computer onto here. But yeah, they like it. Andrew hates white wheels, and I don't care. Clint likes white wheels. There's Clint there. And they've already got Raz cars printed already, so that's a little bit of a sample of what's going on. So sweet, we've got a few couple P clamps on them for now. Hold them still. We made it to Auto Wire NZ. Bro, I do not want it to just piss out the bottom. Fucking hell. Oh my god. Alright, so what's happening is the clutch is just slipping. It can run a little bit of low boost, gets about 380 kilowatt, and then it just doesn't want to take any more. So we've just tried to get all the fluid out of the clutch, and we're going to give it one more shot. If it doesn't work, we got to get off the dyno and fucking go home and sort it out, then come back tomorrow, which is like a 3-hour trip home, 3-hour trip. Like, it's kind of, yeah, it needs to fucking work, man. We need it to work. So yeah, we'll see what we can come up with and see what happens. Let's go. So now we were about to start up, and James went to select it into gear, trying to start it in gear because we're not using the clutch, because we're not risking frying another clutch. But now it won't select any gears, so who fucking knows. Alright, sweet, so we've developed a miss. So we got those plugs out, having a look at them. So it's gone just 7 o'clock and we're still on the dyno. James is still pushing through. Alright guys, I've just edited this video and it's crazy to think how far this car has come from, you know, being yellow and Big Bird and all that with just a little RB25 and, you know, everything, and now what it is today. So yeah, hopefully that you guys enjoyed this video, and yeah, I can't thank everybody enough that's been a part of it. You know, Ra for his hospitality and having me at his house and his workshop and stuff. Obviously Nick for the motor and everything that he's done, all the motor, gearbox, every part of his car that's in my car now, and just everybody that's been involved. Yeah, I can't thank you guys all enough, and yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. It was definitely cool to walk down memory lane, and yeah, just again to see how far this thing has come, and now it's just time to make everything, make it all better and better, and just keep progressing, and yeah, we'll hopefully pick up some podiums this year. But yeah, we'll see you guys all in the next video. Cheers.